Yeah. Ha re kopanye le motho a ne itse o batla ho bona room ya ka e jwang, o kile ka bona ha ke kgone ho fumana comment ya hae, but re etse something like a room tour. Yeah, here we go.
This is one of my favorite part in my room. I love this part. And no, ha se lelomo le phelang lena na. Ke ke sokola o itlhokomela tje jwale lelomo le phelang ke tlo le etsa jwang? Joe. And then ntwe tse lelomo le a se le vase. Ntwe le gore ne ke tsala betsi for ha ke ka nyorwa bo bosiu, but I didn't like it, so yeah. Ntho tse o di bona mona mostly di hlaha kosheng, but I didn't like my last order because why packaging ya bona le jwalo le box khale le jwang fela I had to ke kombolle ke etse ai. And this, please, you know it's giving sophistication, giving some hotel room something, yabo. And yes, Rafosta this side. Apakati momusamo hunyiwe. Total. And if you know me, this were up there. Actually kadiwa. Oska bana dujutsi mo. The operation is at the frame mo. Basif. This was C-section. Ooh, and my favorite. Sana you okasin Nix. Bona, you can't tell me nothing. This is my favorite place. This is the one thing that I would choose over a man. And if you see me doing this, I swear, just know my level of manifestation is very big. Wait. It seems as though I'm not the only one attracted to this bed, because I still get Batwell and they disregard the fact that I have things that we can use as chairs and then they sit on my bed. Why? Yes, in Visagab, because when I think of the work that I had to put in to get this bed, and it's not even that, and it's bad enough for I be vocal about things that I don't like sitting, because I feel like but what is snacks and stuff like that, but I'm triggered and I know why, because I talked about this.
I feel like when bed it restrict people from just sitting here.
Hey, school sonat sister Sally Black in a listed table, broke parentless student chronicles, and then good has been a diaparo. How didn't come who do that? Okay, let's summarize it. I'm tired. So this is before I enter my room, and then I get into this juice from those ones. Then dresser yaka cute, sometimes I read there, and then this is my favorite haven. This is where people can actually sit, and then
Thank you. Bye.